In our pursuit towards progress and having an advanced technology, we've forgotten to balance and take care of our planet. What was once vibrant and lively is now slowly fading away.
The dangerous heat brought by the El Niño phenomenon has already forced schools in 4 regions to suspend in-person classes.
Save the earth for our future generations.
Assist and start changing our ways.
Let's create a more sustainable future.
Redirect our ways towards a greener tomorrow.
Reduce air pollution and increase your lifestyle. Stop polluting our planet.
Easy right? Easy right.
Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world.
There is no permanent in this world, but destroying our world will permanently destroy our future. Stop polluting our mother nature.
It's our responsibility to keep our environment clean and green, and we almost make the best of the efforts to do so, to save our Mother Earth and live happily. And let's be a more responsible citizen.
Together, let's save and protect our planet Earth.